went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. I went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. I went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to. I went to sleep and I woke up dead, but I changed my mind and I want to.
Live my life A to Z, fill up all the vacancies, feel the vindication from the hate you get for chasing dreams. I'm major league with or without any cosign, stealing third base, no coach, no go sign. That's why I'm feeling how I'm feeling now. Music's my escape, but it's feeling even realer now. Grassroots, fuck that, we on some other shit. Call it what you want, but motherfucker, you know what it is. I fucking bleed for it, ask them, they know. Color me in sepia, they a fucking day glow. Shades on, shoes tied, shortcuts never work. In it for the long haul, pot shots never hurt. Thick skin, rhinos, elephants we don't forget. What's important overall, no withdrawal, we don't regret. Pushing forward even though this life sucks sometimes. Fucking with this noose, I promise I can get it untied. You made it out of bed, task one, crossed off. Step two, show them that you ain't gonna be a ragdoll. Stand up, backbone, strong enough to break falls. Ref is trying to make amends, look at all those late calls.